Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn yourself into a glittery, glammed out Scarecrow. All materials will be listed below. If you'd like to see how to do this cute look on yourself, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Starting with a blank cover-up and powder base and my Delio lenses in, I'm going to go ahead in with a deep orange red from my eyeshadow palette. It's easiest to get it even with just using my finger. Carry that below your entire bottom lid. Add yellow to the whole upper lid to the brow area. Layer in some light brown, only 2/3 of the way up. Keep deepening with brown towards the crease. Layer burgundy on the outer half of your eyelid. Add to the bottom lid. Go into your crease with a very dark warm brown and blend upward. Add concealer on the inner half of your eyelid. Tap ultrafine glitter on the concealer, and once you're happy with the amount on, go ahead and spray with a setting spray. Use a warm brown shadow or bronzer to sculpt your face, forehead, and sides of your nose and blend softly. Add a rosy blush on the cheeks and nose to bring life back into the face. Add orange to the very tip of your nose. Spray a little setting spray, then tap some gold glitter in the very center. Starting with an ultrafine brush and black shadow, mark out the boundary of your sunflower. With a deep brown, shadow the entire outer edge of the shape you want to create, inside and outside of that line. Deepen with the same brown around your eye, leaving the glitter untouched. Using a yellow body paint, begin creating your petals. I like to start with the tip of every other petal for spacing, and then the between petals. Once you have those spaced, carry that yellow to the bottom of each petal and leave to dry. Use green body paint to start the main shape of where you want your leaves to be. Fill in. Add lighter yellow-green towards the center, and while damp, darken the edges and blend together to add a little detail. Use the darkest green to add lines and a thicker edge. Once dry, set all of the petals with a translucent powder. I decided to lighten the yellow of the petals so I didn't get too dark in the next step. Once dry, add yellow shadow to the outer third of the petals. With the liner brush, use the brown to outline the petals and the shadow between overlapping the between petals. Think triangle. Go back with the original orange and add to the bottom third of each petal and blend up. After misting with the setting spray, tap gold glitter on the outer half of the petals. Add more spray and tap a brown glitter on the inner half of the petals. Use a liner brush and with a black body paint outline each petal. Fill in the inner area with the black body paint, leaving the glitter that you had on your lid, and set with a black powder. Spray with the setting spray and tap green glitter on the leaves lightly. Outline the leaves with black and add inner line details and swirls. Add little stitches around the outside of the orange on the nose. For the other eye, create a very dramatic cat's eye along the whole upper lid. Use a red lipstick all over your lips. Set the edges with the brown shadow to help prevent bleed and add depth. Tap all over with a red glitter. Use the black body paint to extend black lines out from the corners of the mouth. Add vertical lines and spaced out on the lips going up and down from each other. For the sides, create long stitch lines. Shadow with a tan shadow on the outside of each stitch line and below the long line. Keep them all on the same side of each stitch to help with that effect. Add your accessories and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know that you have a massive selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so very grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of mine. See you next time.